What's up, everybody? I'm your host, Richard Prophet. This is the Prophet Realty Group channel. Welcome back. And today, we're talking watch accessories. Now, this in particular is the never seen before Wolf Blake watch roll. Now, you say, wait a minute, Prophet. I've seen the Blake watch roll before. As a matter of fact, there's other videos on it on YouTube. Yeah, but you've never seen this one before. And I'll tell you why. We're going to get into it. First, let's do a nice little unboxing, and then we'll cover it. Now, they give you these nice little outside cardboard box. The packaging is pretty nice with any Wolf product, if you know. So we'll slide that out. Wolf 1834. Give you a little paperwork with the piece. What is it here? All right, a little history of the company. It was established in 1834. And it's this warranty, 1 year warranty. All right. There it is. Comes with a nice dust cover. Again, this is the Wolf Blake watch roll. The never seen before Blake watch roll. And we're going to show you why. Now, this particular watch roll comes in 3 different colors. It comes in a brown leather with a brown inside. It comes in a black leather with a gray inside. And the black leather with the purple inside. All right. This comes with this nice dust bag here. All right, give you this logo paper here. Take that out. Let's get to the actual watch roll. Ta-da, there it is. Immediately, as soon as you pick it up, as soon as you handle this, you know it's a premium product. It is nice leather. It's like a smooth, like a pebble leather, textured leather. With the strap around the outside. There it has the Blake 305628 black. If you notice, the strap here is a snap closure. And it has 2 different size adjustments. I guess one if you wear dress watches, and the second more bulky option is if you have sports watches. All right, that's pretty cool. Now, when it's closed, your watches are encapsulated in the roll, and it's hard on the outside, so you can throw this in your bag with no worries of your watches getting squished, which I like a lot, actually. I like this a lot. This product, I really like it. Now, let's look at it. I opted for the black leather with the purple inside. And the purple, I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but it's kind of like a royal purple, like a majestic purple. Like it really looks kingly when you look at it. Now, take this out. Yeah, all right. This is the cushion for your 3 watches. There's a logo in there, Wolf. The inside is kind of like a felt. They call it on Wolf's website. They call it I don't know, like a suede or something. But to me, I call it like a felt, like a velour. Yeah, the ends are hard again, so your watches wouldn't get squished. Now this is This is really a premium leather product here. This is very nice. Now this here is the watch cushion, right? As you can see, it can hold 3 watches. Now, what I like most about this watch roll is these things here, these like spacers, these dividers. I've seen a lot of watch rolls and none of them come with these things. These are removable. Like when you get a normal watch roll, it's like this. Whether you know, higher end brands or whatever, it's always like this without these spacers, these dividers here. So my worry has always been if you put your watches on it, the crown will scratch the guy right next door. So, you know, I always like the fact, and this is the only watch roll that I've seen that have these individual dividers. And I like that a lot, actually. Now, you still may be seeing profit, but we've seen this before. I'm about to get into the never seen part of this Blake watch roll, Wolf Blake watch roll. I don't, know if this was new or because I went to the website and I haven't seen this one yet. So whether, this is brand new or whether it's a hack, I don't know. But before we go there, the outside of the watch roll is super cushiony while remaining rigid at the same time. So it protects your watches from scratches and it will keep your bracelet, tight. So your bracelet essentially won't scratch itself. Now, here is the never before seen option, not even option, accessory on this new Blake watch roll. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Here it is. This inside here. Before, the Blake watch rolls never came with this. This was just the entire cushion. What is that? Let me show you. I've checked this watch roll on YouTube. I've checked it on their website. They don't list this. They don't show this. This watch roll sells for $199 on the Wolf website. And they don't show, you can't see pictures of this. Look at this. This slides out. What is that? And even without this, the cushion remains rigid, which is cool. So you can use it with this or without this. Now, not only is this like a spine for the watch roll, but look at this. It's a separate accessory with a magnet closure. Look at that. Look at the inside. The inside is also covered with this felt material. You can store, I don't know, cufflinks in here, chain maybe. Or hey, you can give it to your wife and say, here, I got you an earring. I got you an earring roll, a travel earring roll, and you'll be good to go because, as I said, you can use this. This remains its shape without that. I mean, this is cool. I mean, this is like ingenious. They dug out the middle and gave you another compartment just to store stuff. If you're a gentleman, you might keep cufflinks in here. Even a gold chain if you wear gold chains. I don't, but definitely cufflinks stored in here. Close that back up. Slide that back in. I think this is super cool. This on itself is an accessory all to itself. Now, I looked on the Wolf website. They don't list this under the Blake watch roll. So I have to presume that this is super brand new, that they haven't even updated the website yet. I looked around the website and the only other watch roll that has this inside compartment is the Memento, and that's listed for $219. So $219 for the one with this inside and $199 for the Blake watch roll without this inside. I got this, listen carefully, on Amazon for $69. I'll include the link below if you want to check it out. I don't know whether this is a hack or whether they just haven't updated it yet or whatever the case is. I would include the exact link that I used below. So if you want to pick this up for $69, you're welcome to it. I really like this watch roll, especially if you travel a lot. A lot of guys here on the channel, you know, we travel a lot for business, with our families, vacation or whatever. So, you know, it's always hard if you want to bring your watches. You know, you want to bring 2 or 3 watches. And it's hard, you know, whether you wear 2 or what do, you keep them in the boxes, you know, how do you travel with them? So I've been looking for a watch roll for a while. I've saw some YouTube videos with this one. I thought it was really cool. They are the only ones with the dividers. And, you know, it's reasonably priced. I don't want to pay $400, $500, $600 for a travel watch roll. So this one I thought was reasonably priced at $200. And then when I found it on Amazon at $69, I mean, it was a no-brainer. And the blessing is that I got, I don't know, again, like if it's a hack, I don't know what it is. I got one that's not even updated yet on their own website. It comes with the more expensive $219 Memento. So I really got lucky in choosing this Blake watch roll, Wolf Blake watch roll. I really like it. It really feels like a premium product. It feels like great leather here. Your watches will not get squished with this, which I like a lot. I'm about to take a trip, and you know, with this you can carry 4 watches because you can fit 3 here and you wear 1. So for me, this is really a no-brainer, and that extra accessory there was a blessing. Even though it's a roll, check this out. You put it down, it doesn't roll. I mean, it's a great product. Wolf, thank you very much. To the family out there, thank you very much. I'm your host, Richard Prophet, the Prophet Realty Group channel, and I'll see you Sunday night.